The National Weather Service in Anchorage has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from 6 a.m. Friday to midnight next Friday night. The blizzard watch is no longer in effect. Snow, 5 to 10 inches of snow accumulation is possible through Saturday morning with greatest amounts north of Bethel. Snow drifting 1 to 2 feet is possible. Visibility may be reduced to 1/4 mile or less at times. Wind, along the coast, east wind 30 to 45 miles per hour with gusts to 60 mph. Inland, east winds will be 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts to 45 miles per hour and will shift to the southwest Friday evening. Timing: snow and wind will spread inland late Friday night into Saturday morning and continue through the day. Saturday impacts: dangerous travel conditions. Precautionary preparedness actions. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. All travel and outdoor activity is strongly discouraged.